If you've cleaned out your freshwater filter and you're still not getting water onto the floor, you may need to replace your solenoid. First, we'll remove the old solenoid. Put the Mopit in transport mode by pushing the transport pedal. Then tip the Mopit on its back. Turn the manual water valve off. Pull the water line off of the valve and remove the fresh water filter. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the two mounting screws. Push the gray solenoid ring down so that the tubing will slide out of the solenoid. Make sure all of the tubing is removed from the old solenoid. Disconnect the solenoid power plug. Now we'll replace the new solenoid by repeating the same steps in reverse order. Connect the power plug. Push the drip tube feeder line into the top of the solenoid. Mount the solenoid using the two Phillips head screws. Before attaching the water filter, remember to reconnect the short piece of tubing to the elbow fitting. Now insert the tubing into the side of the solenoid. Reinsert the tubing. Don't forget to turn on the manual water valve. Tip the Mopit upright and push the scrub pedal down. Reach out to Spectrum by phone or website with any questions. 1-800-290-2833. www.mopit.com